Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 2011 Range Rover HSE. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change the hood struts. So right now, as you guys are seeing, the second I let go of the hood, it falls straight down. Both of the hood struts are completely shot. But the good thing is they're very inexpensive, and I will have them linked down below in my description box in case you guys need to also change them on your Range Rover. But now, without wasting any time, let's get started and fix this issue. So before starting this job, make sure you have a second helping hand holding the hood in place. And then we're going to get a small thin straight screwdriver, put it into this indent, and then move this metal clip back. So as you're seeing, we slided this metal clip back. Once you do that, you could grab the strut and pull it out. And we're going to do the same inside here. And here on the top side, we're going to do the same thing. And after sliding the clip out, the hood strut, you could pull it right out. And now here's my new hood strut. I'm going to lock it in place. Just like that, and then slide the metal clip back into lock position. Just like that. And now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side and replace it with a new strut. And here it is. Here's the before and after. My hood is finally staying up, and this DIY was a success. I really hope this video helped you guys out. And I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like and share button. And if you guys want to see more videos on my Range Rover and other vehicles, please make sure to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.